Good guys, we back with another video. Today, we just gonna be running around. Yeah, start the fucking bike. I got bored. You know, like I said, y'all need to start leaving comments what I should do. Because I really ain't got no more ideas. Places I should go, if you know Tyler, Texas. Looks like it's about to rain. So it's supposed to rain around 5. It's almost 5. The other day we were going, not the other day, literally, yesterday, we were camping on Langley Island, Tyler, Texas. I forgot what lake it's to, Lake Tyler, and yeah, it was cold as fuck. The wind was super windy. It was so fucking cold. I only got like an hour or two sleep today. I woke up at 7 o'clock. It was so fucking cold. I have to, if I can edit well, I can put a video up in the top right corner. I took a video starting to rain. I can feel it. I can feel the rain. Took this stupid fucking jump. My friend showed me this jump and I fucking badly hit it every time. Barely hit it. Horrible at it. I got better jumps. My shit's almost already dead. I don't even know what happened. A little burnout. Oh, I didn't do it. Got some people call them gumballs. I don't really like it. Going over here. I have to call one of my friends, see if they want to hang out. Speed limit's 35. I can only go 40. Speed. I got a floor. Cycle. Yeah, y'all can ask me questions. Y'all need to give me comments on what I should do next. And if y'all have questions or concerns, you can also leave those in the comments. I will 100% respond back to y'all as fast as I can, or whenever I pay attention to it. I pay attention to it a lot, so y'all can leave concerns and questions. And I'll make sure to reply back to y'all soon. Yeah, I can already feel the rain. Oh shit. Hey, y'all about to get a rain video. Oh shit. I fucking slid out. Yeah, y'all gonna get a rain video today. Can't see it on the camera because it ain't raining bad. But I can feel the sprinkles. Oh! Oh shit. Oh, forgot about that little jump right there. Oh, it's raining now, I feel it. Woo! Racetrack, baby. Y'all want to see a sharp turn? Watch this sharp turn. Cardboard. 50 volts, we ain't doing bad. Now what the fuck that car doing right there? I'm gonna go whoop. Here you go, chicken. It's about to fucking rain on me. Have you ever heard about how electric bikes can't get wet? Well, we're about to put that to the test on a new episode of Mythbusters. Mythbusters 3.0. Let's see if electric bikes will fuck up in rain because I'm about to get stuck in this rain. Now, I will tell you this, if the rain does get bad, I will have to end the video and put my phone in my pocket because I ain't trying to lose $1 trillion a day. I ain't about to lose a phone and a bike. So yeah, make it back. I'm already heading back. I might stop somewhere though. At the house. Oh shit. I splashed my fucking lights out. It's a car wash. Look at the car wash. What does that say? Let's drive through here. Zoom. You vacuum. It's one of these things. It's a vacuum. Wow, they trying to make these things illegal, bro. What the fuck? Goddamn pistol. Let's go through the other car wash now. There's two. Let's go through it the opposite way. Yay! Yeah, now my tires are clean, but not the fucking actual body of the dirt bike. It's starting to rain, boys. I know, I'm sorry, I said it like 50,000 fucking times, but it's started. My friend lives over there. That house. How do you get a GoPro for real? Stop right here. that a Subaru? What is that? Brookwood. It's raining. This car's better hurry up, I got to go. Goddamn, smells like a damn weed back here. Smells like a black mouth. Right? My foot's scraping the ground. Oh, fuck me, bro. It's thundering. Tiger. Okay, I'm going to end the video very soon because it is actually starting to rain now. Y'all can probably see it on the camera now. Oh. Shit. We got to go. It's raining, baby. Oh, shit. This actually isn't that good. Oh my boy. This is not too good, you think? My bike is getting soaked. I wiped the camera off. Gotta go! It's raining! I'm catching up with this car. Watch me ram him. God damn it, I did. Okay, I gotta make a U-turn. Woo-turn. It is raining. This car better hurry up. They know that I'm getting soaked back here. My phone already got wet. Yeah, I'll tell y'all he fell in his kayak when we were kayaking back from the island. My phone got soaked. And now my phone's getting soaked for the third time today. Yeah, I put this hoe in like a thing of rice. Come on, which way you turn? Which way you turn? Come on. Pick your mind, boy. What are we doing? I got to go. Oh my god, it's fucking cold. I got my speaker in my backpack. It's wet. I can't see. My goggles. Run to that fucking stop sign. Ooh, leaves. Okay, well we made it back before the goddamn rain.